Yes. So let us have this example of cross Cannizaro. So now one is formaldehyde, another is benzaldehyde. Condition is same. Let us take QH and heat it. Heat it. So what is the product? Which alcohol will form and which of these two will be converted into carboxylic acid salts? So to understand that, first we have to think about this OH minus selection of carbonyl. This OH minus will select carbonyl. Out of two, one will select OH minus, and that is very important. So we have learned this in the last year. Which carbonyl is more susceptible? Yes. What you will say? The carbonyl carbon which is more positive will be more susceptible. The carbonyl carbon which is more positive will be more susceptible for attack of this OH minus. So what you suggest? Yes, formaldehyde carbon or simply susceptible for formaldehyde. If you take formaldehyde and you take benzaldehyde, so which is susceptible? Which is having the more positive charge? So remember, due to the presence of this benzene ring through pi bond donate electron to this one. So if I write here benzene ring, if I write here benzene ring, okay, right here, and here I write suppose this another molecule formaldehyde. Now see, this undergo into what we can say the polar nature, see single bond O minus C plus here H and this side H. What do you say for this? This also undergo like this. This is become like this and like this. Now, this also, sorry, this is positive charge. Now see, both are having the positive charge, but this positive charge is minimized by this bond. This bond shift here and it undergo into resonance. It undergo into resonance and like this. So what do you say? This positive charge shifted here. So this positive charge is not residing on the carbon while it travels through this ring and then again back to the carbon. And we can say this one positive charge is divided into how many centers? 1, 2, then 3, then 4. So 4 centers. We can say this positive charge is divided into 4 centers. This we rotate like this. See? Again, we can go for further resonating structure. So in short, in benzaldehyde, this positive charge resides only how much percentage? Yes, this positive charge divided into 4 centers, right? One center, second center, third center, and fourth center, alternate carbon, right? So what do you say about that? Positive charge in benzaldehyde will be how much percentage on carbonyl carbon? Yes, how much percent? 25%. While in formaldehyde, it is 100% on one carbon only. So which is more positive then? Which is more positive? Formaldehyde will be more positive. So OH minus attack on formaldehyde. So it is clear? Okay, right? So let us go for that. So we can say resonating structure or resonance in benzaldehyde, carbonyl carbon is not much more reactive as compared to formaldehyde. So we can write now this OH minus attack on this carbon, this bond opens up and we can have like this. See, this O minus, here OH, and this side H. Fine. Now, write next molecule. This is what benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. We can say that this, and write this here. This will react with this. This will react with this, and see now. Same pattern. Hydride transfer takes place. H minus transfer. H minus transfer takes place. How it transfer takes place? This H minus, how this negative charge will restore back to the carbon, and this bond will migrate with the hydrogen called as hydride transfer, and write as it is whatever is going to form. So I can add benzene ring this CH2 and O, CH2O minus plus here formic acid. This become what? Formic acid. But we know that this alcohol is not stable. This formic acid show resonance. So therefore this O minus abstract this proton, and this will form the neutral benzyl alcohol structure, and this will form the salt, right? Here there is Na plus. So sodium salt will form of this formic acid, and this is what the final product of this cross Cannizaro reaction. So we can say very simple idea, very simple idea. So carboxylic acid formed by, so theoretically by looking at the reaction, theoretically we can say, by looking at reaction, theoretically we can say out of these two, which one will form formic as carboxylic acid salt. So the carbon which is susceptible out of these two carbon which can be easily attacked by OH minus, that carbon molecule becomes carboxylic acid. So out of this, this is that one. Formaldehyde is the carbonyl carbon. Formaldehyde's carbonyl carbon, which is more reactive towards OH minus, and hence this will convert it into the carboxylic acid form of the carboxylic acid salt. Carboxylic acid salt form of the carboxylic acid. Fine. So this is what about the cross Cannizaro reaction and its mechanism.